Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily change a workspace, a photo or your logo, whatever in Slack. So let's start. First, let's just click here and you have two options how you can do it. Go to administration and then go to workspace settings, but we are going to also open customize Slack, alright? So open these two. When you are here in admin settings, just scroll down and this is how you can change the workspace icon. And you can just update it, or you can go through this way and click here on workspace icon and you can just remove or update it. I'm going to update the same one. So this is how you can actually change your workspace icon. Let's wait a little bit and voila, here we got it. I hope to how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching and have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.